मेडिकल स्टूडेंट की रेप और हत्या को लेकर देश भर में उबाल बढ़ता जा रहा है। पश्चिम बंगाल की राजधानी कोलकाता में डॉक्टर्स ने कैंडल मार्च निकालकर अपना विरोध जताया। कैंडल मार्च के दौरान बड़ी संख्या में महिला डॉक्टर, ट्रेनी डॉक्टर्स और सैकड़ों की संख्या में लोग जो हैं वो पीड़िता के लिए न्याय मांगते हुए दिखाई दिए। जूनियर डॉक्टर्स ने काम पर लौटने से मना किया। वहीं दूसरी ओर पुलिस की जांच आगे चल रही है। पुलिस पिछले 30 दिनों की सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी खंगाल रही है, जिससे पता लगाया जा सकेगा कि आरोपी अक्सर किस किस से मिलता था। मेडिकल कॉलेज में काम करने वाले 2 लोगों को भी पुलिस ने सुबह 11 बजे पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया है। विरोध प्रदर्शन के बीच मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर संदीप घोष ने अपने पद से इस्तीफा दिया। बढ़ती आलोचनाओं के बीच सीएम ममता बनर्जी ने पीड़िता के घर जाकर परिजनों से मुलाकात की। उन्होंने ये भी स्पष्ट किया कि अगर कोलकाता पुलिस रविवार तक मामले को सुलझाने में असमर्थ रही तो राज्य इस मामले को सीबीआई को सौंप देगा।
ফরেনসিক ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে শুরু করে সবাইকেই ইনভলভ করা হয়েছে যাতে খুনি গ্রেফতার হয় এবং দোষীরা শাস্তি পায়। এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব দোষীদের গ্রেফতার করবে। আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কুলকিনারা করতে না পারেন, কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে, তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআই কে দিয়ে দেবো।
तो ये जो जूनियर डॉक्टर थी, आपको बता दें, रेप और हत्या का पूरा मामला था। अब अगर रविवार तक ये केस कोलकाता पुलिस नहीं सुलझा लेती है तो ममता बनर्जी ने साफ तौर पर कहा कि ये पूरा मामला जो है वो सीबीआई को हैंडओवर कर दिया जाएगा। इसके साथ ही इसका दूसरा पहलू ये है कि सिर्फ कोलकाता ही नहीं बल्कि देश के कई शहरों में कल पूरी तरीके से विरोध प्रदर्शन डॉक्टर्स का देखा गया। चाहे कोलकाता की बात की जाए या फिर केरल की, मुंबई की बात की जाए या किसी अन्य जगहों की, हर जगह से देखिए हमारे सहयोगियों की ये खास रिपोर्ट, जिस पर आपको बता दें हर जगह से डॉक्टर्स द्वारा ये विरोध प्रदर्शन किया गया।
Well, see, today, in the entire day, there have been a lot of developments taking place. First, the principal of Arjikar Medical College and Hospital resigned, and his resignation was also demanded by the students since the last couple of days. Finally, he resigned, and not only from the post, but also from the government service. Second of all, Mamata Banerjee visited the residence of the victim girl, where she spoke with the parents and the next of kin of the victim girl and ensured all help. And she made a statement public that Kolkata police will be given a time frame till Sunday, and if Kolkata police are unable to make any headway in the investigation process, then she won't mind handing the case over to the CBI. You can well understand that the state government and administration have been under tremendous pressure. And this is the scenario here in Arjikar Medical College and Hospital, where you can see the junior doctors, the nurses and resident doctors all are on dharna, and they have been staging protests since very early in the morning, and now slowly, steadily in solidarity. There are several marches coming out from different medical colleges in Kolkata and merging together and reaching here to show their solidarity. So that's the situation. Like and the students in a GB meeting, they have decided that it's not only about CBI investigation. They want a judicial probe into the matter, and all the demands that they made pertaining to their safety and security has to be assured by the state administration, not only in Arjikar but across all the medical college and hospitals, also in private hospitals. Only then they will think of pulling back from the seized work, but until then the seized work at emergency and non-emergency services will continue here in Kolkata's Arjikar Medical College and other medical colleges as well.
Well, the entire nation is witnessing a massive outrage by the doctors from entire country. But why? But because of the horrific rape and murder case which unfolded in Kolkata. A girl was brutally raped and later murdered. And this is a serious incident which unfolded in Kolkata. We have with us resident doctors of JJ Hospital who are protesting with the candle march, and they are trying to give away this message that their safety is paramount and their safety is what everyone should consider. We'll talk to you, ma'am. What exactly are your demands? What you want to tell to the government as well as the entire nation today?
We want justice as much as early, because in every case of doctors, like this is not the first incident. Beforehand also many incidents has been happened, but nobody cares about it.
So these are the voices, is what we can understand. We'll just go in front also, and I would like to ask my video journalist to show across the entire visuals of this particular candle march, which has been carried away by, which has been conducted by the resident doctors here in Mumbai. And what they are saying is that जब तक हमारी सुरक्षा नहीं तब तक दवाई नहीं. And this is the important message which the entire doctor community is trying to give out. We not only just have a resident doctors over here, but we also have first year students, second year students. Sir, we'll talk to you. What exactly are your demands? You are also raising the slogans that जब तक हमारी सुरक्षा नहीं तब तक दवाई नहीं.
तो हमारी एग्जैक्टली डिमांड्स हैं कि जो भी हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है उसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी मेंटेन रहे. जैसे कि न्यूज़ आ रही थी कि वहाँ पे जो केस था तो उस केस को चेंज करके एज ए सुसाइड दिखाने की ट्राई की जा रही थी कॉलेज से, ताकि उस कॉलेज का नाम ना खराब हो. तो ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं हो, ताकि इन फ्यूचर हम लोग की सुरक्षा और हम लोग की जो सुरक्षा है उसकी ध्यान रखा जाए.
Across the country, the concerns are over the safety of the doctors who are saving the life of us common people who are working 24 hours for the protection of us. Their safety is not secured is what is the major concern, and that the demands for such demands for the safety of doctors is the major demand and protest against this incident that has taken over in West Bengal Medical College that is happening.
Doctors here at the Nimans Hospital in Bengaluru staging a protest march against the rape and murder of a resident doctor in Kolkata. And here you're looking at all of them, of course, holding placards and demanding that the parliament today take a decision to protect the interests of the doctors so that such an incident does not occur again. And, various concerns, of course, have been raised by these doctors. Let's try and get in a word from some of them. So if you could tell us, what are the main demands at this point in time from the doctors here?
See, all over the country, all doctors are clear about the demands. They want immediate judicial inquiry, possibly, if possible, CBI inquiry, and immediate identification of all culprits.
Primary demands here that a thorough investigation, either a judicial probe or even possibly a CBI probe, should be undertaken, and justice should be given here to the victim and the family members as well.